Greetings from Indonesia, greetings from Universitas Brawijaya. My name is Lukman and I'm the representative from the International Office of Universitas Brawijaya. And here, by listening to this video, by watching this video, it means that you are already becoming one of our student inbound for our student exchange programs conducted by the International Office or the other units such as faculties or departments in Universitas Brawijaya. So while you have been registered as the student inbound, we need you to register to our official database that is called as UB Apps, since the university has to report your coming to Indonesia, your visit to UB, to our Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology. So don't worry, what you will fill in this system will be a secret. It won't be open to everyone, only for our own database, and will be reported to the ministry. So your data, personal data, your document are all. So I'm going to guide you through this video. So first of all, go to this website, admisi.ub.ac.id/account/home/index/IOUB. And don't worry if you cannot memorize this link. The host of your program, your student exchange program, will let you know about this link when you are here later. So all you need to do is first you create a new account. By clicking this, you will have to fill in your personal email address. Make sure that active and you have notification on your cell phone. And then here you will need to fulfill with your full name, and here please create a password which has at least 8 characters and a combination of letters and numbers. Please make sure that you can remember this password so that you don't have to follow the forget password procedure. Once you fill in the password, then please retype again the same exact password in the box below. All right, now suppose that you have registered. After you fill in all these boxes, then click register, and a verification link will go through your email. Please open it and click the link that is written in the email. Okay, suppose you have verified your email. Now you will go back to the login page and try to write the email address that you have fulfilled in the registration form. For example, I'm going to use my personal account here and the password that you have created. And then simply click sign in. And you will go to the dashboard. There is only one option on the main page, that is non-degree international inbound program. So whatever program that is offered to you by our office or one of our faculties, that will belong to this umbrella program, that is non-degree international inbound program. All you need to do is click this, and then you will go through the step of registration. There will be some menu above the page. For instance, you have to fill in the inbound data, the academic, the functional guarantee, some files needed, and later you will confirm your submission. So first, let's go to the inbound data process. Here, you will fill in with your biodata. First, please write the title of the inbound program that you are currently attending. For example, we have a program called Brawijaya Cultural Engagement 2024, or BRACE. So please make sure that you know the name of the program conducted by one of our faculty or our office. and then fill in with your full name, and then the country where you were born, and then the date of birth. One is not city but your country, for instance Indonesia in my case. And then on this box fill in with the date of birth. Then we'll have to choose whether you are male or female. For example, I'm male. And then here please fill in with your passport number, for example C123456 7. And then next you will fill in with the home country address. First of all, please fill in with your home address and then the name of your country. For instance, if you are from Indonesia, then you can click Indonesia, and so on and so forth. And then please fill in with the name of the city or the district. In this case, I live in Malang City. And then the next one is to fill in with the postal code. Then if you finish, then you click save. Then after you finish filling in the biodata, then we go to the academic part. The academic menu, here there are 3 boxes. The first one is you have to choose which faculty under Universitas Brawijaya that hosts the exchange program you are attending currently. There are lists of faculties. We have 18 faculties. Please make sure that you know in which faculty that you are currently attending. For instance, you are joining the program conducted by the Faculty of Administrative Science. So you click there, and then you will have to choose the study program. For your information, that the program, the exchange program that is conducted by the faculties will be acknowledged by the study program under the faculty. So the structure of our university is we have faculties, and then under the faculty we manage study programs or programs such as bachelor's degree program, master's degree program, and doctoral degree program. So please make sure that you know which program that you are joining their program. For instance, in this case, you ask to the committee of the program that this program is hosted by the Business Administration program, bachelor's degree. So you choose, click something like this. Or you get information that, oh no, the host is Faculty of Administrative Science and the study program is, for instance, tourism. Then you choose tourism. All right? I think this is very easy. The host of the program will let you know in which faculty and study program are you right now. And then for the specific study, if it exists under the study program, then you can choose. If it doesn't, then you simply choose this blank space. And then once again, click Save. Now we go to the next part, that is the guarantee. This is just to let us know that how do you fund yourself for attending this program. There are some options here. Is self-funded. It means that all the costs that you need to attend this program, including the flight, the transportation, the accommodation, and the meals, are fully funded by yourself. While partial funded, usually the host of the program will provide you with several facilities such as accommodation or transportation or meals, but you have to pay for your own flights. Then it belongs to the partial funded group. And fully funded means that the host of the program will cover all of your flight, transportation, meals, access to the programs, and so on and so forth. So please choose in which of the 3 that is suitable with your program. In this case, I will choose partial funded, and then you go click Save. And then we go to the next part, that is files. Here, you are required to upload several documents. First is your self-photo, but please make sure that the files minimum of 500 kilobytes and a maximum of 1 megabyte. So if you have some files that exceeds this size, please try to find a way. I believe that there are tools online out there that can help you to reduce the files that you have. So first, you need to upload your self-photo. Please make sure your face is shown. So it's not a full body photo, but only a half body photo, but make sure the face is shown. Once you choose one, for instance, I will choose one of my picture here. You can choose, and then don't forget to click upload button, something like this. If it works, then there will be a notification like this. It means it works, you are successful. And then that goes the same for the passport. Please upload the first page of your passport, which shows your identity. Don't forget to click upload. And then the next one is the letter of acceptance, or LOA, from UB faculty or from the host of your student exchange program. If you have not been given this file, please ask your host so that they can provide you with the LOA, and please upload it into the system. Once again, don't forget to click upload, and once you all finish, then you can click save button. And in the end, we will go to the confirmation page, in which you need to confirm whether your data that you have submitted is true. For instance, your full name is true. In this case, I use one of my favorite soccer player, Davor Suker from Croatia, back in the World Cup 1998. And then the day of birth, please make sure that you have chosen the correct date of birth and your email address. And then there is a statement that all the data and files that you have uploaded are valid and correct, and it's suitable with the condition of yourself. So if you are confident with this kind of statement, simply click agree, and then you click submit. Please be aware that after finalized data, the data you enter cannot be changed. So make sure once again, and if you are confident with this, then click submit, and that is the end of the program, the end of the. I believe that this will take not very long, perhaps between 5 to 10 minutes, but your submission will be very helpful and beneficial to the development of our university. Thank you so much for your cooperation in fulfilling. Enjoy your program in Indonesia, and I'll see you.